Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Discord offline. So, to use Discord offline, you need to follow these steps. You have to understand that you cannot use Discord offline as it requires a constant internet connection to function. However, you could appear offline to other user by setting your status to invisible while you're still being online or still using app. So what you have to do is to appear offline or to appear your status as offline. Click the use section from the bottom of the page and click on the gear icon from the top of the page. Next, you just need to go ahead and look for the status section. So you just need to scroll down a bit and you could find the status, or go to the account section, locate status on this section if you could find it. So what you need to do is you could actually go to the server and click on the server settings, and then you need to go ahead and click on the status section somewhere here. So right on this section you could find status. You just need to go ahead and look for these options, and then appearances, right? You could also go to the section, look for it, and that is how you'll be able to use Discord offline. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.